The current medical marijuana law in Texas shows that weed is legal. But in other states, you can see cannabis can help seizures and ongoing other illnesses. Marijuana can be categorized as a poison to our bodies. Our bodies are a vessel. We have to take care of it. If we refuse to take care of our bodies, it's a self-sabotage situation. Since medical marijuana is a plant-based medicine, it has gone through a dangerous process. Medicine can be described as a toxin that gets taken into the body by mouth or a shot. Medicine is taken to help pain, anxiety, stress, focus, hormones, and relaxation. A toxin can be defined as a poisonous or venomous item that comes from a plant, animal, or can be mixed with microorganisms that causes disease or even ongoing effects for the patient. This is an issue in states that have not legalized medical marijuana. It makes it difficult for patients to get medical marijuana if it's illegal. We have 23 states that have medical marijuana illegal. These including Indiana, Utah, Wyoming, South Dakota, Nebraska, Kansas, Oklahoma, Texas, Indiana, Montana, Wisconsin, Iowa, Idaho, Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina, Kentucky, Tennessee, Alabama, Los Angeles, Mississippi, and Alabama. Anyone can have seizures, cancer, epilepsy, or any skin conditions or tumors. But in places like Washington, D.C., they have legalized cannabis. So those people who need medical marijuana can use CBD oil, drops to their advantage. Seizures and epilepsy cannot be fully cured when doctors offer cannabis. They use it as a last resort. The different types of epilepsy make it hard for doctors to formulate medicine for every type of epilepsy because everyone is different. When they prescribe medicine to patients with epilepsy, it helps only a few patients because the ingredients are so basic that when they give it to all the patients, it doesn't help them all with their individual needs. Cannabis has proven to help with symptoms of epilepsy. It has shown help in many different kinds of ways as well. People are affected based on genetics. Genetics are complicated when it comes to cancer. When you talk about cancer, it refers to a huge number of diseases, which can be categorized by the development of abnormal cells that can be divided uncontrollably and have the ability to infiltrate and destroy normal body tissue. Cancer has also often been able to spread through the body, causing changes or mutations in DNA within cells. The DNA inside a cell is tightly packaged into a larger number of individual genes, each containing a set of specific instructions telling the cell how and what to perform. When they grow and divide, it causes errors in instructions that causes the cell to stop a normal function and may allow the cell to become cancerous. Marijuana has many different side effects based on the strand. When people use it for the first time, they can misuse it, which makes it dangerous for them. When smoking cannabis while being under 21, it can cause many problems such as short-term memory, anxiety, paranoia, hallucinations, panic, overreaction time, increased heart rate, risk of stroke, coordination problems, sexual problems in males. They have a higher chance of sexually transmitted infections to those who don't smoke, which also causes strange behavior in seeing, hearing, and smelling issues.